Alright, how's everybody doing out there in calculus land? It's Mr. Muscarella coming at you, and today we're going to take a look at example number 2 for trig integrals. That fun stuff when U substitution just doesn't work. And in this example, we're going to take a look at power reducing and half angle identities, because everybody remembers those, right? Of course you do. In case you forgot, here they are. If an integral only has sines or cosines, so if there's only sine and cosine stuff in it, we're going to use one of these two formulas. So if you take a look at this example, where we're evaluating the integral from negative pi to pi of sine squared x dx, check it out. It's only got a sine squared. But do you see the other thing it has? There's something pretty cool in there. I wonder if you see it. Let's see if you do, as we take a look and work out this example. Now the sine squared x, of course, that's going to go to that lovely little formula of 1 minus cosine of 2x over 2 of dx. But here's what I want you to see. If you noticed, our top limit of integration is going to be pi, but our lower limit of integration is negative pi, which means I can make that lower limit now 2 and change the outside piece to 2. So check that out. Why is that important? Because as this is going to be pretty cool, the 2's are going to cancel out when we go to integrate that. So that is simply just going to give us the integral from 0 to pi of 1 minus cosine of 2x dx. Now this is a pretty simple, straightforward integration here. Of course, when you integrate 1, that's just going to be x. When you integrate cosine of 2x, now that's going to be sine of 2x, but don't forget, chain rule stuff here, the 2 that is in the angle, you're going to have to account for that. So normally you would take the derivative of 2x, which is just 2, but since we're integrating, we have to take the reciprocal of that, so that's going to be 1/2. It's going to go out in the front of that. So we're going to have that integral change to x minus 1/2 sine 2x, going from 0 to pi. From this point, it's a straightforward integration. So take your time as we do this. So when we put pi in, we're going to have pi minus 1/2, and then we've got sine of 2 pi, and we're going to subtract, and I usually like to kind of put these in brackets so I can keep everything straight, and then 0 minus 1/2 sine 2 times 0 is just 0, so that's going to just be sine of 0. When you evaluate that, of course, you're going to have pi minus 0, because sine of 2 pi is just 0. So that's going to be that first piece, and then 0 minus 1/2 sine 0. Now sine 0 is just going to be 0, so we're going to have 0 minus 0 in the second one. So all of that, and you're just left with pi. Not too bad. So that's one technique you can use for integrating trig problems that only deal with one trig function, sine or cosine. So thanks for watching this video. Be sure you check out example 3 coming at you in the next video. Have a great day. Peace out.